Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you the best and fastest way of painting and preserving various different things around your garden. The first item I'm going to do is this large summer house. It's been prepped. All I need to do is mask these windows and then I'm going to start paint spraying. Over here, we've got trellis fencing. Now, if you've ever tried to paint this with a brush, you'll know how hard it is. Once you do it with the Wagner paint sprayer, it takes literally seconds. Down here, I've got a wooden bench. This has been exposed to the elements all year round. The paint's already been flaking off it. We've sanded it down, washed it up, it's now dry. It's also ready to start paint spraying. Over this side, this is a familiar sight to many of you, the garden shed, exposed to the elements all year round. Sun, rain, snow, everything hits this. And as you can see, it's not looking in the best of shape. Once this is painted up, it'll be brought back to life. Now at the other side of the garden, I've also got more furniture. This time it's this metalwork here. It has been prepared, sanded down, it's ready to start painting. But one of the big jobs here, 40 square meters of close board fencing, which would normally take hours if not days with a paintbrush, but not when I've got my Wagner handheld paint sprayer. So within less than 2 days work, I've completely done the entire garden makeover all by myself. Well, little help from the Wagner handheld paint sprayer, of course, but just look at the items now they're finished. This summer house, 2 different colours of paint, drying time in between, masking up, it looks brand new. Metalwork, metal tables, chairs, went from black to white. Over here we've got the trellis fencing. What normally would take days of work, it was reduced to minutes. Not forgetting this lovely hardwood bench, completely brought it back to life. And remember that shed. 2 coats of wood treatment on it, it looks brand new. And one of the biggest jobs of all, 40 square meters of close board fencing at the end of the garden, it looks brand new. If you're looking for some more hints and tips on painting or just film inspiration, why not follow us on social media?